The rides are similar to those in other parks, but with agricultural themes and names. Only a few rides deliver intermediate thrills. Even those aren't wild enough to make mildly motion sickness prone people feel queasy, a sure sign that this isn't the place to take a roller coaster loving teenager. On a hot day, the water attractions at Gilroy Gardens are most welcome. You can get mildly splashed at the waterfall and misted in the rock maze. Or get soaked in the splash garden. The water play area includes an 18-foot tall climbing structure with spraying water and a dry slide, along with plenty of other fun water features. Gilroy Gardens also has a water park that includes slides for bigger kids as well as the little ones. Entry is included in the general admission price. Groups of up to 8 guests can reserve a shady private cabana with a patio table, lounge seating and poolside meal service. The cost of meals is extra.